Hi everyone, welcome back to another episode of Wake&Tech. In today's tutorial video, I'm going to help you learn how to log into your Google Drive account. If you have a Google account, you can easily log into your Google Drive with just a simple few steps. Keep watching the video till the end and don't forget to subscribe to our channel by hitting the subscribe button. Press the bell icon so that YouTube will notify you whenever we post a new video. In order to log into your Google Drive, all you need to do is go and click open a web browser. You can also download the Google Drive application on your smartphone and simply log into your account. Now, go to the search box at the top and type in drive.google.com and press the enter on your keyboard. Soon after you do that, you'll end up in the sign in page of Google Drive. Now, enter your email address in the first text field that you see. Soon after you type in your credentials, you can click on the next button. But in case you don't remember your email address, you can click on Forgot to Email link and follow the instructions to look for your email address. After you're done, click Next. On the next page, you'll need to type in your password for your Google account. Make sure to type in the correct one. You can double check your password by clicking on the Show Password box, which will help you reveal your password. In case you don't remember your password, click on Forgot Password link and follow the instructions in order to reset to a new one. Finally, click Next after you type in your password. And with this, you'll be logged into your Google Drive account quick and easy. The Google Drive is a file storage and synchronization service developed by Google. It allows users to store files in the cloud, synchronize files across devices, and share files. That is how you can easily log into your Google Drive account quick and easy. I hope you found the video to be helpful. If you did, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Comment down below in the comment box if you have a question or a feedback for us. I'll soon be back with more tutorial episodes. Goodbye till then.